We bought our Mercedes in 2019, and every year, every season, we learn something new. I wanted to take off the refrigerator panel the other day, and I did. And when I did it, I found these little clips that go inside here. They were actually broken once I got them out. I don't know if they're good for one time or multiple use. I think maybe just one time is how you handle them. But when you open up the packet, I was frustrated a while ago because when it comes, and I'll show you a close-up in a minute, you have to break this thing. And I didn't think that was right, but you have to break it. You have to break it, and then you have to shove it into the hole there. And I've got one done. And you simply take it, once you get it in there, you take it and slide it in there, and you poke it in there, and you turn it, and your lock should lock again like that. And that's all it takes. But when you're new to RVing and you're first doing things the first time, this little package costs $6 or $7. I thought, do I have to really break it to get started? And you do. You break it, and then you insert it into that hole right there, and then you put it in.